Within the dental field, there are a variety of dentists who specialize in specific aspects of oral health. A specialist in this field is known as a periodontist. He is specialized in the treatment of gum disease as well as other problems that affect the gums. In this clip, we'll explore the role of periodontists as well as their importance to gum health for overall dental health. Gum disease, also referred to as periodontal disease, is a very common condition which affects gums as well as the bone that supports the teeth. The cause is bacteria that cause plaque, a sticky layer that builds up over the teeth. If not treated, gum disease could cause serious problems such as tooth loss, as well as systemic health issues like heart disease and diabetes. Periodontists are dentists who've received additional education for the prevention, diagnosis, as well as treatment for gum diseases. They have expertise in the treatment of the various stages of gingivitis, ranging from moderate gingivitis up to serious periodontitis. They are also trained to carry out surgical procedures like gum grafts and bone regeneration in order to repair the bone and gum tissue which has been damaged due to gum disease. One of the most important responsibilities of periodontists is to educate patients on the importance of dental health as well as the treatment of gum diseases. They collaborate with their patients to create individual treatment plans that meet the specific requirements and objectives of each patient. They also work with other specialists in dentistry, like prosthodontists and orthodontists, in order to offer comprehensive treatment for patients who have complicated dental problems. Alongside managing gum disease, the periodontists also play an important part in ensuring the proper good health. Implanted dental implants are made of artificial roots utilized to replace teeth that are missing. Implants are fixed within the jawbone and need healthy gum tissue in order to help them. The periodontists collaborate closely with patients with dental implants in order to make sure that their gums are clean and free of infection. Periodontists play a crucial part in managing general health issues that are related to gum diseases. Studies have shown that there is a significant link between gum disease and diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and respiratory illnesses. Through treating gum disease and maintaining good gum health, periodontists are able to maintain overall health and lower the chance of developing serious problems. Periodontists play an important part in maintaining the health of gums as well as overall dental health. They're experts on the preventative, detection, and treatment of gum diseases, and they collaborate with their patients to create individual treatment plans. Through educating patients on the importance of maintaining healthy gums as well as collaborating with other dentists, they help patients attain and keep healthy gums throughout the rest of their lives. If you're experiencing signs of gum disease like bleeding gums or bad breath, it's essential to visit an experienced periodontist to get a diagnosis and treatment. Keep in mind that healthy gums form the basis of a beautiful smile.